Hey guys, it's Charity from ALoopandAHook, and today I wanted to bring you along as I'm going to be prepping some freezer meals just because things have been super crazy lately for both Collin and I, and it's been harder to really make meals and have meals. So I wanted to do that to try to help out with dinner and things like that. So I have to go grocery shopping this morning, and then later I'm going to prep all those freezer meals. So I got back from Aldi's, Hannaford, and I did stop at Dollar General. Did need to get aluminum pans for the freezer meals. I don't have them. So I think let's spent $4.82 on those, and I got 6 pans, which I didn't think was too bad. Then Aldi's, they had chicken leg quarters for 50% off, which made it out to I think like 60 cents a pound. They had chicken thighs for 50% off again for right around 80 cents a pound, which I thought were good prices. I did get 6 packages of tortillas, and these are going to be for the taco casserole. It does call for a lot of tortillas, so I did pick those up there. They were the cheapest, and they actually had up for 50 cents off this week, so I was glad I got them this week. I got carrots for a chicken spaghetti I'm making, peppers because I've been wanting stuffed peppers recently. I have 4 blocks of cream cheese for another recipe that I am making. Chicken salad, it was marked down to 99 cents for a container of these, and Collin really likes these, so I picked those up for his lunch. I got ginger from Hannaford because Aldi's didn't have it. Minced garlic from Aldi's. Then chicken breasts were on sale this week for $1.99 a pound. They're boneless and skinless, so I did not think that was a bad price at all. I picked up some ground beef, $2.99 a pound for 80/20. So I thought that was good. And then I got 2 packs of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs for $1.99 a pound. Got a whole bunch of cheese. Got a block of sharp cheddar. Well, this one's wicked sharp cheddar, so really strong cheddar, and then just cheddar. Got peas for the chicken spaghetti, and then corn for the taco bake. Too many different recipes, trying to keep track of what I got for each one. Soy sauce was cheaper at Hannaford, so I picked it up there. Also, Aldi's doesn't always carry it, so I wanted to make sure I got it because I needed it. And then Worcestershire sauce, that was only $1 at Hannaford. I also got 3 24-ounce tubs of sour cream. I did a price comparison, and I was actually surprised when I realized that Hannaford sour cream was cheaper than Aldi's, so I picked it up there and saved, I think it was around 20 cents a pound on it, so I was happy with that. I got shredded Parmesan for one of the recipes, and then 3 bags of Mexican style shredded cheese. I think this was 2 something or 3 something. Let me see. It was $6.49 for 2 pounds, so $3.20. I think it's $3.29, and I think the bricks were like $3.49 a pound, $3.60 a pound. So that saved a little bit of money there. And then white vinegar because I was running low on that. So for everything that I got from Aldi and Hannaford, I spent $34.42 at Aldi's, and then spent $93.82 at Hannaford. A lot of these products also qualify for the Hannaford's rewards, so I also earned some cash back on that, which made me happy. So the first thing I am working on is putting the beans in the Instant Pot so they can cook while I am doing other things. So I need like, I think it's, they said like 4 cans of beans, and there's like 2 cups of beans in a can. So I think if I did the math correctly, I need like 2 pounds, right around 2 pounds of dried black beans. So I looked up a recipe online. I'm gonna make those real quick. Then I think I'm gonna do a lot of the chicken recipes, because a lot of it is just throwing things in a bag. So I think I'm gonna do that next. So Mom already weighed out the beans. I went down to her house and we traded some chicken for beans. And so this is 2 pounds of beans. Okay. And that's all good. So I'm gonna go run these and put these in the Instant Pot. So now I'm just gonna go through and label the bags with what I'm putting in them. So I just have to look up the recipes for that. That one done. Just writing the instructions on here. So I'm not home and Collin's home. He knows how to do this too. It's really just simplifying both of our lives as much as possible. So I'm going to start with the honey soy chicken. That's one of the easier, just kind of dump it in a bag sort of recipes. I think it's going to make around 4 bags. So that's 4 meals. And yeah, so it's like 1.5 pounds or so chicken that I'm doing per bag for both Collin and I. So I think that should be more than enough to feed the 2 of us, with maybe some leftovers spare. Be nice if we had some leftovers. Okay. Let me find the recipe. So I need olive oil, a tablespoon and a half. I'm not measuring exactly because I'm splitting the recipe. So I'm gonna guesstimate. With marinades, if they're a little more juicy though, that's not a bad thing. Really need a tablespoon and a half of soy sauce. I'm gonna link all of the recipes that I'm using, at least the ones that I get online. There's one that I'm using from a cookbook, but I'll link that cookbook as well. I'll link them all in the description below so you guys can make these if they look good. I think they will. I've actually made all but one of these before. Had them when Mom used to do freezer meals. This was one of her freezer meal recipes. Okay, so there's that. Then we need honey. So we need 2.5 tablespoons of honey. There's 2 heaping tablespoons. Okay. We need garlic. Calls for fresh cloves of garlic, but I don't have that, so I'm just substituting for minced garlic. Ginger. There's the ginger. So I'm gonna do right around a half a teaspoon. It calls for fresh ginger. I'm gonna do ground ginger because I don't have fresh ginger. Once again, they're interchangeable. Ginger smells really good though. There's the ginger. And a little bit of pepper. Then the chicken, the dirty part. Oh, it smells super, super good. It's making me really hungry. Now, just seal them up. Airtight. We'll get out all the air. So that looks really good. Looks really, really good. Smells really good too. I think it'll be good after it sits in the freezer for a while. 4 meals down, only 3 more recipes to make, so probably another, oh boy, 12 or so more meals to go. We'll get there eventually. Let's see, what's the next one? We'll do the chicken parmesan. So this recipe I found on Pinterest, and it didn't say it could be a freezer meal. It said it could be a crock pot meal, but it's so simple and there's nothing in it that can't be frozen. I'm going to just freeze it and we'll see how it turns out. So the next recipe I'm working on is a chicken with parm. So this one's gonna get served over pasta. So I can't like cook the pasta right now and put it in, but that's simple enough. You can throw this in the crock pot, either on low or high, and cook it all day. So never tried the recipe before, so we'll see how it turns out. Hoping it tastes good. I think it will. It's really simple. Pepper. It called for the Olive Garden Italian dressing, and I actually had it, so I'm going to use that. Cream cheese, shredded Parmesan, and then chicken breast. So super simple, easy ingredients. So I am going to make that, and we'll see how it comes out. So I should only get 3 meals out of this because it said 2 chicken breasts, and I got a package that has 6 in it. So should make enough for 3 freezer meals. Okay, so it said 2 cups of salad dressing. Might not have enough for 2 cups. Probably do a little bit less. Probably do like 1.25 cups or so. Because I only have the 2 bottles, I didn't think it'd use so much. We'll make it do. 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Instead to do the grated stuff. In the video where I found this recipe, it looks like they really just estimated the quantities, so I don't feel too bad for kind of guesstimating some things. So there's a 1/4 cup of cheese. And it calls for a brick of cream cheese. So last thing to add is just the chicken. This also looks really good. It's got the brick of cream cheese on the back. It's got the cheese. Looks good. It smells good. So I can't wait to try that one. I think the hardest part about doing freezer meals is not being able to eat it like right now. You have to wait. So I have 7 of the meals done. Next 2 are the more labor intensive ones. So yeah, now those ones are going to take a little while for me to get done.